Burnett. In a world that's become consumed with violence, he's a man of peace, fighting to save lives, desperate to end the bloodshed. The Resistance may not always see eye to eye with him, but there's not a single person in Philadelphia with a bad word to say about him. His work in this city has been heroic. He'll never be forgotten. I grew up in San Francisco. I never got to see it before things went bad. When the KPA first started arriving, it was so exciting. They were here to help us. We were sure. We were so sure. But their record of wonderful humanitarian work around the world, their amazing technology. We watched those beautiful aircraft gliding into the airport, and they seemed like angels. My grandma, she cried when she saw them for the first time. "Child, these people are angels," she said. "The Lord sent them to help us start over." I remember looking up, seeing the tears on her cheeks, holding her gentle hand.
Hey, Brady, you got the right idea. We should burn every police station in the city.
America, wake up. This is an occupation. You are not free.
If you have friends...
Let's do this! Once we get going, we'll be unstoppable. Freedom or death!
여기서 임무를 완수하게 나갈 수 있을지 정말 모르겠다니까. 헤이, 테러리스트를 멈췄다. 무탄트 트랩! 발사! 도전!
Soon enough. Can you watch where you're going?
Get out of our country! Fuck Apex!
Fuck the door! Let's do this!
Attention citizens. Cease all illegal activity and return to your homes immediately. Attention citizens. Illegal protests will be forcibly dispersed. Clear the streets immediately.
But it's our whole lives to us. That's why we're with.
Attention. Civil disorder will be met with deadly force. Attention. Civil disorder will be met with deadly force. This is a zero-tolerance zone. Criminal activity will be met with immediate prosecution. Suspected terrorists will be arrested on site. Any resistance will be treated as a hostile act and met with extreme force.
Smash as much as you can.
Any persons caught defacing public property or inciting rebellion will be arrested. You have been warned.
Hey, watch it! Come and get it!
Let's do this! KPA out!
Not being used to treat the American people. Friends and family are dying in the North Stand. I believe we are able when are willing to help.
Think they need to run those PA systems 24/7 like that?
Have you asked more
not.
about this?
Most of the messages are junk. Patronizing, trivial content. The key to the
When
PA
it's done,
systems
you
isn't the
need to
content.
run. Like run
it's the
fast.
quantity. They're designed to wear people down.
Only time I
make
feel
them
alive these
tired.
days is when
Stop
bullets are
that.
flying past my head.
Federal government in the 20th and early 21st century used to use the same technique. setting siege to criminals and blasting music at them relentlessly to break their will.
Seems risky.
It's psychological torture. Just remember that.
Have you asked more about this?
There's a soldier prowling the skylines of our wounded city. She's a legend amongst her ranks. An icon of strength and determination. The Norks don't know her by name, but by God, do they know her
Fuck it.
work.
I say we go for
She's
it.
taken out more patrols than anyone can count. She's a product of this dark time.
I don't know.
And like a
Seems risky.
superhero, she's risen to the
Can't think
status
about those
of a
I've killed.
symbol. The
just
Norks
can't.
tremble
Just a
when they
metric
think of
fuck
her
ton
as
of
well
C4.
they should. She's coming for them.
When it's done, we need to run. Like, run fast to make it out.
The KPA's weapons tell
Do it
you
low
everything
and
you need to
slow.
know about
Stealth
them.
in.
They're slick, streamlined, technical, and deadly. A perfect summary of the entire KPA personality. And look at the resistance weapons. They're homebrewed, volatile, held together with a wing and a prayer, but in the right hands, they're...
So good to finally get control of this area. Lived here when I was a kid.
Their biggest mistake is underestimating us.
Hey, Brady. Parrish is looking for you. He and Dana are in the war room.
I pity the next Nork I see face to face.
Being gentle won't shake the world.
Fucking guard duty. Give me some action.
I figured we'd have a location by now. Something. What if they just kill him? How are we gonna start the revolution without Walker? You know, people need a hero. Someone they can follow.
It's out of our control. All we can do is keep fighting.
Hey, Brady boy. Come in. Come in. You're doing a fantastic job, pal. I better watch my back. You'll be taking over from me around here soon.
Nice to have someone who knows what they're doing.
Very funny. Oh, dial 911. What's up, Doc?
What brings you all the way down here, Doctor? Someone tell you we found some band-aids?
Listen, Crawford sent a message. The KPA know about the armory. They're gonna attack.
What the fuck did you say? If they hit the armory, we'll lose it all. All our weapons, all the equipment.
You gotta warn your men. There's still time to get them out.
Not without those weapons. We need them for the uprising. We'll be left fighting the Norks with spoons. No. We need to get everything out first. Find someplace new to stash it.
We should turn the tables. Surprise them before they hit us.
Yeah, an evacuation's gonna take a while anyway. We need to stall them. Sounds like it's ambush time.
At least we have plenty of explosives ready. There'll be bits of Nork landing all the way over in Pyongyang. Like fireworks, Ethan.
You think this is funny? Think you can joke about killing like it's nothing?
Hey, Doc. Last time I took the moral high ground, I brought a sniper rifle with me.
So where are we gonna stash the guns?
Oh, it's gotta be someplace safe. A few places would be better, so, Hey, Doc. We're gonna need to use your clinics.
You're insane.
Perfect. When the revolution starts, we'll have everything right where we need it.
No! What if the Norks find them? They'll execute everyone. You can't risk my people.
That's not ideal, Doc, but this is fucking war, man.
I spent 4 years begging, borrowing, and stealing to get these clinics up and running. It's a joke to even call them that. But they're all we have. All the people have.
Well, be careful, Sam. Sorry, we got no choice.
The hell with you.
Shit.
His people. So sweet.
Alright. You need to get over to the army and help prepare the ambush. Me and Dana are gonna round up as many fighters as we can and meet you over there.
Don't have all the fun without us, Ethan.
Look, you gotta hold them off until we get there with reinforcements. We need to secure those weapons. You understand me? Don't let me down. Hey, Dana, come on. You gotta move.
I'll speak to my team and I'll see you there.
Philly Alpha here. Everyone on active. Ned's in trouble. Get over to the armory now.
We need to get everyone to Ned's place fast.
Come on, Brady, we need you!
The armory falls, the resistance is in trouble. You're gonna need something bigger than that, my friend. Take this RPG. It's a real fucking deal.
Ned and his people are in trouble. Let's go!
Ned's in trouble. Get your shit together. We gotta get over there. See what we can do. Come on, we've gotta move.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
This is Ned to all teams. We got the KPA knocking on our door. We need help. We're trying to evacuate the guns, but if we can't hold them back, we're gonna lose everything. Get over here if you can.
Ned, I'm sending Brady and everyone we can spare now. Dana and me are gonna get our teams together and come as soon as we can. Just hold on. We need those weapons.
We'll do our best, Jack. Ned, we can't hold it. We have to fall back. We're still loading the guns onto the trucks. You have to find a way to stall them longer.
Fucking Christ. All right, Ned. Move your asses. Brady, thank fuck we need help. We gotta hold the Norks back till Ned can get guns loaded. Come on, man!
Away. You guys are doing great. Keep it up.
Gotta buy Ned more time.
How long does Ned think we can do this?
2 more trucks are on their way out. We just need a bit longer.
There's too many of them. We haven't got a chance. Ned, we're fucked out here. Are you guys ready?
can't hold them. We have to fall back. We're still loading the guns onto the trucks. You have to find a way to stall them longer.
Fucking Christ. All right, Ned, but move your asses. Brady, thank fuck we need help. We've got to hold the Norks back till Ned can get the guns loaded. Come on, man.
First truck's away. These guys are doing great. Keep it up.
Gotta buy Ned more time.
How long does Ned think we can do this?
Guys, you've done all you can out there. Fall back to me. We'll make our stand here.
Spider, keep pushing up. Cover's getting soft. Gotta flex. Cover's getting soft. Shit, I lost him!
저기 진입한다.
Weapons free!
내리 이동할 테니 내 지시를
I need it to flip! Hurry!
Brady, come on. We need to get the trucks before the KPA bust in here. Quickly, follow me.
Ned, this is Parrish. The Norks are screening their attack. We can't break through to you.
They're breaking through! Get back!
The KPA are storming our position. We can't hold them for long. There's too many of them. We haven't got a chance.
We gotta hold them off till those trucks are loaded. Everybody spread out. Watch your lines of sight.
They're breaking through! Get back!
Protect the trucks!
Ned, I'm sorry. We're totally shut out. There's no way to you. Dana, what's your situation?
Just can't find a way past! The airship's all over us! We have to fall back! Fuck!
God damn it, Jeff. Okay, we'll get the guns out or die trying.
Got it!
That's another truck done. Got most of the heavy ordnance clear. Keep fighting.
Where the fuck is our backup? Where the fuck is Parrish?
We got no chance! Ned, we have to fucking go!
Get your shit together just a little bit longer and we're done.
Ned, we can't hold! This is it!
Don't let them move up!
Come on, Ned, hurry!
We're done. Get to the trucks. Get to the trucks.
We're done! Let's go! Let's go!
Thank fuck for that! Let's
Trucks are loaded. Let's move. Come on! Brady, get on! Come on, Brady, we don't have much time. Great job, everyone. Now let's get the hell out of here. Let's go! Go, go, go!
Thank fuck for that! Let's move!
It's down! It's fucking down!
Whoa, we did it!
Brady, you legend!
Cover me! I gotta get to better cover!
Great job, Brady. Now get out of there. Brady, it's Parrish. I heard Ned didn't make it. Oh, fuck, man. I'm sorry we didn't get there in time. KPA hit us, too. That doesn't matter, does it? Excuses don't bring people back. I don't know what we'll do without him. We have to make sure he died for something that matters. If you can get the brain back, it'll be a big win for us.
Ned was a good man.
Never replace all the weapons and equipment we lost today.
He died fighting for his people.
So you made it back. Not many did. Ned and most of his people are gone. I look into the future, Brady, and in that uncertain darkness, I see a vast constellation of light. The good deeds, the joy, and the love that will be spread by all of us as we travel our lives. Each death in this conflict extinguishes those lights, and the future darkens for all of us. I want to just run away from it all. But then I hear someone calling in pain, and I just can't do it. I have to try to help. I'm going back to work. Try and get some rest.
Check the wound.
This ain't gonna be no piss in the pot, but we got a limited...
Hey, Brady, hope you got some rest. If you're looking for Parrish, he's in the war room. You really came through for us saving the guns, Brady. Well done.
I want everything out, Jack. How are we supposed to treat people with rockets rolling around our feet?
You know, Doc, I kind of get the feeling you're pissed off about something, but I can't quite put my finger on it.
Don't test me, Jack. I'm not in the mood.
Hey, look, we'll get you some extra supplies. Hell, I'll even get you that X-ray machine you've been hankering for. We'll get it rigged up so you can run it off a generator. Look, don't worry about it. The weapons will be out of your clinics and into the hands of the people in no time.
Violence only births more violence.
A revolution, Doc. This is a war. Some things are worth fighting for. Brady will tell you. He just took on a Goliath single-handed, managed to get the brain out.
You're a hero now, kid?
What's up, Dana? Where you been?
Captured a couple of wounded Norks. Been interrogating them.
Yeah? Anything useful?
I don't speak Korean. But I'm sending a message back that's universal.
What do you mean? What are you doing to them?
Parrish, turn on Nork TV. You're gonna love this.
Hello and welcome to KAC. All across America, people continue to celebrate the capture of the terrorist leader Benjamin Walker here in Philadelphia. It has been announced that Walker will stand trial at the Hall of Justice later this month.
You believe this shit? You believe this shit? We've been busting our asses trying to track him down, and they go ahead and tell us where he is on live TV.
Hall of Justice? Always be Independence Hall to me.
Finally, we can do something instead of sitting around with our thumbs in our asses. Hey, we rescue Walker from that trial, and he's gonna dial this revolution up to 11.
Rescue? Easy as that. Last time I looked, that place was ringed in steel.
There must be a hole in your glass, Burnett. All your optimism's dribbling down your pants.
The Doc's right. This is gonna be a bitch. You know what? You don't always get dealt aces. What we need is some good old-fashioned shock and awe to bust them out.
I like Walker, but is all this risk worth it for one man?
Doc, you don't get it, man. The people are ready to rise up. They just don't know it yet. I wish I could tell them, but I can't. I don't have the words. Walker does. He knows how to reach people, how to make them understand that fear is the only thing holding them back. And once they realize that, nothing's gonna stop them.
Your revolution will become a bloodbath.
You think there's a peaceful way of doing this? Look, we finally got our hands on a Goliath brain thanks to Brady. We're gonna steal a Goliath and put our brain in it. And that's how we're gonna bust our way inside.
That's a plan I can get behind.
The ass-kicking boot's gonna be on the other foot for a change. And we don't have a lot of time before the trial, so let's get to work.
Brady, I need you to take the brain to Heather. She's our best engineer. She'll be able to figure out how it works. Heather's lab's in Ashgate, but the district got cut off. We'll have to use our spy Crawford to get you inside. He's a collaborator, but not really, if you get me. I'll tell him to meet you in Holloway and come up with a plan. Tell him Holloway's down a platform and up the stairs. Good luck.
Hey, I need to get a message to Crawford.
Holloway's
Pass me
this
through
way.
to Heather, will you?
Come on.
Firefly, this is Philly Alpha.
You know, really glad you're with us, Brady. Seeing what you do makes me feel like we got a chance.
Brady, I got a hold of Crawford. He's overseeing a work party there in Holloway, so he's been able to come and meet you. I told him to get you into Ashgate, so better see what his plan is. Just take care of that brain, okay? Good luck.
We're gonna resurrect this country.
Hey, Brady. This guy Crawford's waiting for you upstairs. Sounds like there's something else behind it.
I've got to get out there somehow.
So many goddamn snipers.
This trial's
Heard you took down a Goliath, Brady. That's fucking awesome, man. Not many people could have pulled that off.
time I feel alive these days. Even bullets are flying past my head. You look the role of a fighter. Now go act the role.
So, you're Brady. Parrish's golden boy. I'm Crawford. Parrish says he needs you in Ashgate. Not an easy task by any means. Even for me. As you can see, I'm a liaison officer, a collaborator, or collab in your parlance. Though I've been resistance from the very beginning. Now, I have certain access rights, but I can't just walk you in through the perimeter checkpoint. No, I've got something else in mind. Watch. The monorail! We're gonna ride that all the way to Ashgate. Of course, it's not quite as simple as that. The trains pass through scanners which will detect any unauthorized occupants, but I've a plan to fool their systems. If you can get your phone close enough to the train, perhaps by disabling it temporarily with a hack tool, we'll be able to analyze the software's handshake protocol and... well, it's very technical, no need for you to worry about that side. Just get the data, we'll do the rest. I don't want you tampering with the Ashgate line in case they increase security. But there's the Fir Hill line, so head for that. I'll stay and coordinate with the Resistance Code team. I'll be in touch when you get there. We have some Trojan software to upload into the scanner's systems, but we need the interface protocols from a monorail car. That's where you come in, Brady.
Strong, son.
The Fir Hill monorail is your target. Disable a train on that line, then get your phone close. Simple.
If we could take control,
I suggest you proceed as planned.
Walk in the park.
Parrish was insistent you get to Ashgate. I suggest you move swiftly.
I don't know how long we'll last with the ammo we've got left.
The Fir Hill monorail is your target. Disable a train on that line, then get your phone close. Simple.
That last patrol got real fucking hairy.
I suggest you proceed as planned.
I'm gonna take out a fucking airship, I swear.
Red zones are restricted areas. Civilians are not permitted.
Parrish was insistent you get to Ashgate. I suggest you move swiftly.
Another one down. I worked in an office. It was boring. What I'd give to be that bored again.
Timing is everything.
Anybody seen blueprints for Tunnel 12?
I could use a drink, or 10. I need you to keep me up to speed on food. Just get a call from your dealer, asshole?
We don't need Walker.
Can you watch where you're going?
When it's done, run fast to make it out. We can do this. Focus. Focus. Ain't gonna be no piss in the park.
Just get a call from your dealer, asshole?
It's good to see you.
We need to organize another supply run.
I could use a drink, or 10. So long as we stay
strong,
focused.
son.
I'm confident we'll win.
나가는 차량 10분. 차량 검사팀은 최종 점검하여 출구 장교에게 OK 코드를 보고하라.
The Holloway shopping precinct used to be the busiest retail park in the area. Now it's home to a KPA stronghold. The location is of high strategic value and would make an excellent base of operations for the Resistance. The main gate is an option. It's too thick to blast open, but if you can get an RC car inside the stronghold, you can maybe use a hack on the gate control panel to open it. Brady, see if you can find a way to get an RC car inside.
More strongholds, more control. Anybody heard from Whalen in this team? precious day.